If you are looking to an apartment in Japan, so this video is for you. Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we have talked about the LeoPalace 21 apartment in Japan. In last video I told you about the UR apartment. Now I will show you the LeoPalace 21 apartment in Nara, Japan. So this is equipped with the refrigerator, oven, and with the kitchen, with the electric stove. There is no gas stove, and this is standing mirror, and also in the bedroom, and this is bedroom plus living room, and equipped with in the air conditioned televisions, and this is a white covered. Also there's a like a bed. This is bed, and inside you have to put your stuff as well, and this is a small shelf in this room. This is 1K apartment, which is for 1 and 2 person you can live there, and usually this is for the best for the one person or the couple. And this is the shoe shelf, and this is the washroom, shower room. So this is equipped with the ventilators and so many function, and this is the toilet, with the Japanese technology toilet. Electronic commode. Okay, so this is the washing machine. So if you are looking for the furnished apartment, so Liu Palace give you the furnished apartment, and they also charge the fees of, you can say, charge the amounts of this equipment, including in the your monthly rent. So this is the lock, digital lock and intercom. So there is no physical key required in this apartment. So as far as talk about to the compared to the UR apartment, the UR apartment is less expensive, and there's less feces, but they are not furnished. Sometimes they are furnished. If you want to, the owner of the apartment will give you the uh, for equipment, but they charge you, like if the apartment cost is 35, they will charge you 20,000 extra. So it depends on the what type of your requirement. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it.